Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is George, this is my channel. I mess around with Japanese cars, so if that's something you like, consider subscribing. And in today's video, we're gonna install some new shock absorbers to my JZX100 Mark II. Let's get started. So what we've got is used shock absorbers from Toyota. It's TRD, Toyota Racing Development. They're used, but obviously as you can see they're not leaking, they're in good condition, better than the ones currently on the car. They've got adjustable damping as well, so let's just take the old ones off and put the new ones on. So we're going to start with the front, undo the top mount. It does have some wire in here, so it seems like it's going to be some sort of active suspension, like you could see on the Lexus. Is it Sora or SC300 and 400? So I don't think that's something we can use with these shocks. So hopefully it's not going to bring out a warning light. Yeah, let's take these off. So I'm going to leave that there, just in case it drops. Now we undo these 8 mils. Come on buddy, there you go. There's that. Then 17 mil in the middle. So that's just done on the top. I'm just going to leave this here just in case it drops, so then move to the bottom. So what we've got is 17 mil bolt. Then 10 mil to hold the ABS sensor. $17 mil. And then we're gonna hit it. And that's how it's done.
You have to
That's one front shock absorber and a spring. And then you've got this one to go in. Is that the one? Yeah, this one, TRD. Now, if you don't know, whenever ball joint is spinning, you need to apply some pressure on it so the friction stops it from doing that. A bit more. Click, click. So that's that. It's that 10 mil. We stuck. Okay, back to the top. Okay, so now we're going to do the top. I'm going to leave this unplugged, unfortunately. That is how you change a shock absorber on a JZX. A lot faster than the other side because I already know how to do this one. So on the rear you need to strangely remove the seat. The top mounts are just under the parcel shelf here, which is just bizarre. But you know, it's just like the front, we've got that extra sort of cover on over it, which we need to remove. Unplug it and then take the top mount off. At least I can practice this when I get one of these in Japan when I go. Hey Jess?
Mm-hmm.
It's on camera now. It's too late to say no. Thanks to the window tints I can't really see much. There we go, that's that done. Okay, so is that done? Let's get to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to undo this 19. Okay, so I'm struggling a bit because it does have this little cap, so I'm obviously losing about this much space. So I did stop recording, and when I got it out, the camera wasn't recording, but it is out, here it is. Go. It's in a lot easier.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm done on the top. Just wanted to show you what we found. One Japanese yen by the look of it. Then a beautiful ring, a stone in it, window tinting tool, a couple of cable ties, and a washer, 2 washers, and the whatever that is, a rubber washer. Right, so let's put the rear bench on and then do the bottom. Thanks, Mark. I'm just gonna borrow a lever. I do have to pay £2. I'm down £2, Jess.
It's okay, it was worth it.
It definitely was. And that is how you change the shock absorbers on JZX100. Okay.
Whoop whoop! No, don't use that, please.
Okay guys, we finished. The shocks are on, car is a little bit lower, a little bit stiffer. It's after 10 o'clock, so we're going to McDonald's, grab a strawberry milkshake. Thank you for subscribing, liking the videos if you have, and I shall see you guys next time. Thank you, bye.